Hello and welcome to Awesome Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This time it's a Ford Galaxy, 2 litre diesel, it's 163 brake horsepower, it's a titanium spec, so it's a high spec. Nice car, previously supplied by ourselves as well. We did a cam belt on it last time we supplied it, we did front disc and pads, we did rear trailing arm bushes, so all them things have been done in the recent past. It's clean and tidy, does drive well. It will come with a new MOT, it will come with a service. And it will come with 3 months parts and labour warranty. No advisories on our MOTs as well, that's what we aim for. It's all just been polished, so it's all looking nice and clean. It's all nice and clean inside. So the titanium's got cruise control, it's got dual zone aircon, it's got Bluetooth and Bluetooth streaming, it's got USB connectivity, it's got overhead storage, I don't know if you can see that. This is 125,627 miles as we do the video today. More pictures on the website, that's rostonparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call 07 868 722 133.